welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb and today we'll be doing the unboxing of a charger. This is for iPhone 14 and this is from Portronics. This is the Adaptor 20 watt type C charger, 20 watt. So this is PD fast charge. So Apple unfortunately the highest charging voltage is 20 watt, so you cannot go over that. Not the same case for Android. For Android you can get more than 100 watt or 65 watts. So let me show you the box, then we can go ahead with unboxing. Charging made adaptable, Portronics, and supports fast charging, of course, type C port, compatible with iPhones and iPads. And the MRP of this is 1500, but you can go get this for around half that price in Amazon. I'll put the link of that below, you can check that out. But the best important thing is this is BIS rated, so this is not bad for your mobile. It will not burn it down at least. So this is 6 months warranty, and of course Portronics is a good brand. So yeah, let's open this and let me show you what is in the box and what's the quality of the charger itself. Okay, so this is in a plastic box. Okay, got this out. It is quite tightly packed, so that's good. So it won't scratch or anything, securely packed. Okay, so this is how it looks, and quite heavy, I have to say. This does not feel cheap at all. The plastic used is good. This is the yeah, this is quite nice. So USB-C, you can put in your Apple charger here, and this is 2-pin 240 volt 20 watt max, and the BIS certification here, 20 watt USB fast charger. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Bye.